Now let's get you the latest in India's fight against COVID-19. Remember, India is battling with the second wave of the coronavirus, with India reporting as many as 130,000 cases in the last 24 hours alone. And if you look at the kind of trends in the last 1 week or so, we have reported over 1 lakh cases on most of the days, and that has become the big cause of concern. And this was the biggest talking point in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's virtual meeting with Chief Ministers as well, coming in at a time when the intensity and the way the virus is spreading this time around is far higher. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also alluded to the fact that we have surpassed the peak of last year in terms of the number of cases in many states, including Maharashtra, that is reporting almost over 55% of the cases. And not just Maharashtra, states like Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Andhra, Delhi also have been reporting high number of cases. In fact, which is exactly the reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about the need for higher testing, tracing, tracking, and to ensure that more and more tests are done. The Prime Minister said that this time around, as we're battling with the second wave of coronavirus, how we tackle the COVID cases will be a big factor of the state governance, and which is why he said that even if you have high number of positive cases, I will not blame you, but what I ask of the states is to ensure that adequate testing is done. This is of course coming in at a time when we're seeing labs also being inundated, test reports are of course seeing a lot of delays as India is struggling to juggle with the number of cases. In fact, yesterday we did speak to Dr. A. Velumani as well, and he did say that at this point of time, even the labs are overwhelmed with the number of tests that are coming in. Besides that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said that economic activity should not suffer and all states should follow the micro containment strategy. Remember, India's growth has just started to pick up and we cannot afford to slack at this point of time, and which is why a lockdown is not an option. One should focus on micro containment strategy. Another big talking point, and we're given to understand many states have raised this. In fact, ET Now has been speaking to a whole host of states, including what happened in Maharashtra, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, that many states have now started to report a shortage of vaccines. And this was also a big talking point. Prime Minister Narendra Modi making it very clear that at this point of time, the strategy that India has adopted is in line with the global practice of strategizing the vaccine in such a way that priority groups get it first. And Prime Minister Modi also said that one should not be focusing on the vaccines. We should make sure that there is 100% coverage for all who are over 45 years of age, because they are the vulnerable people at this point of time. And over the next few weeks, the center will make sure that there is a replenishment that is done for the vaccine stocks as well, even though vaccine shortage has led to a war of words between the states as well as the center. Prime Minister Modi also said that we should celebrate Tika Divas, that means a set of days where the vaccines will be provided from April 11th till April 14th. The idea is to ensure that more and more people are given the COVID-19 jabs, of course coming in at a time when India has inoculated as many as 8 crore people. Also needs to be seen that the message from the Prime Minister is very clear. Even though we may have a shortage of the vaccine at this point of time, the center will make sure that enough vaccines are available. Micro containment strategy should be followed, and besides that, testing is the way to go.